Alright, well, I've been getting a lot of questions, which is crazy. The video of the original PRP has maybe 300 views at the most at the moment. I like how this is helping people in one way or another. Let me start off by saying today is Friday, July 19th, 2019. Had the first original PRP shot in October 2018. Everyone wants to know, well, what do I do? Do I do another shot? You know, what do you think? Well, let me just start by saying that these PRP shots, you got nothing to lose. You know, it's not going to hurt you using your own blood and all that from your own body to try to heal itself. So you got nothing to lose besides a little bit of money. And when it comes to healing knee pain or any type of serious, you know, chronic pain like I have myself here, I think it's well worth the money. So don't even worry about that. So now you're probably going to wonder, well, how you feeling now? How am I feeling now? It's kind of up and down. Like, I don't know if it helped yet. Overall, I think it helped somewhat. I mean, they say it could take up a year for the, you know, the healing to happen. So it hasn't been that. It's definitely been over 6 months though. I mean, that's where I'm at now. So what I'm actually been doing lately is really recently is I've been trying some CBD supplements. I'm using the pills. They're about 25 milligrams. I take them every day or every few days, one pill. And that seems to help with inflammation. The knee doesn't hurt as much. And that's where I'm at with it. I mean, has it made a difference? I would say somewhat yes. And am I going to get another shot? I'm going to get another shot. I just need a week of downtime schedule to do it because, you know, I have a construction company and I work in the field. I have to be able to move. So when I had my shot done originally, my knee swelled up really good, and I have full range back into it for about a week, and then the swelling didn't completely go down for 2 weeks. But that said, you know, maybe it did help right away, because I know when I first had it done, I had almost no pain in that knee for weeks. But my problem is I have a utility trailer for my business. It's working real late one night, and don't do this, by the way. It was dark in there, and I was rushing. Couldn't see what I was doing. I kind of stepped forward. Had a little bit too much weight on the foot. You know, extended a little bit and heard a pop. So that got me real nervous. I ended up going back to the doctor about a week after that. He said you probably just sprained it. And now I had this shot. I had the shot maybe about a week and a half when I did this injury. So he thinks I just sprained it. So he said give it a few weeks, and if it still hurts, we'll go from there. So a few weeks go by, it gets better, and we were good to go. So I kept seeing the doctor a few times for some follow-ups to see what's going on, if it's helping or not. So what we ended up doing is having another MRI of the knee. So I went and had another MRI of the knee back over the winter, and I'm thinking, man, I might have tore more cartilage in my knee, because in the same knee I have a little bit of a tear in the meniscus from another situation. So I get the MRI done, and I'm nerve-wracked about, man, it's another tear. So I go back to see the doctor once we have the MRI results in, and he's looking at me, and I say, well, how we looking? He goes, well, no new tears in there. I said, thank God. But, you know, by the MRI, they tell me I have a little bit of arthritis in there, which kind of makes sense because the kneecap cartilage, you know, I don't know how much they took out, which I should find out, but the doctor who did the surgery in 2013 said it was pretty bad in my kneecap. So, you know, I try to massage it. You know, physical therapy helps out a lot too. This PRP shot. So, what I'm thinking is, when I did that injury after the shot, well, that twist and the pop and the trailer, so on, maybe the PRP healed up whatever tear I did there, if I did a tear. So maybe it did work. So I don't really know. But I'm definitely looking forward to having another shot, and obviously take it easy, don't do those things again, and see if it helps. Now, if I do a second shot, I don't have relief within 6 months to a year, I might try the gel shots. But for right now, I think I'm going to still stick with the PRP, go from there. I mean, that's where I'm at with it. So what else do I have to say about it? What else I have to say about the injection is that, from my experience, when they do the injection, they pull your blood, they refine it, takes however time, 15 minutes, a half hour. They lead me down, they use the ultrasound to examine the knee and you know, place the material exactly where needed. In this case, I did a kneecap and where the meniscus tear was, and they could see all that on the ultrasound. So as they're injecting the material, my knee starts feeling pressure in there, like someone's stabbing it. Really, that's how it felt to me. It was starting to hurt pretty bad by the end. Now, some people have no pain. I did. So once we got done with that, I had to kind of sit there for about 15 minutes just to let the pain ease away. And I was able to actually walk out of there. But by the next morning I woke up, it was definitely swelled up real good. And like I said earlier, it stayed swelled pretty good. And it took about a week for the swelling to go back down and 2 weeks for the full range. But during that time, I had no pain. I guess because of all the blood in there, I don't know, but it felt good. So at some point, I'm going to have another shot done when we can get it on the schedule. And I'll try to take a video of that one, maybe before and after or something like that. So, I mean, that's all I have to tell you guys. I hope this helps you in making a decision to do the shot. Like I said, you got nothing to lose besides a little bit of money, and that's nothing compared to having a knee replacement in the future when you can use your own body to heal itself. So I hope this helps you out there. If you have any more questions, just leave a comment below or send us a message. See you in the next video.